When I first got to Meals on Wheels America, I walked into an organization that was running on QuickBooks and was very limited in its ability. And I knew that we needed, as we grew, we needed an accounting system that would be able to help us enable that growth. I'm Don Miller. I'm the Chief Financial and Administrative Officer for Meals on Wheels America. For me, the best things about Sage Intacct are it's easy, it's powerful, it's cost-effective, and the reporting is really flexible. And now we have the ability to look at our business in a much different way than we were able to previously. The visibility we've gained by using Sage Intacct has enabled us to manage our grants much more effectively. We're able to see what we want to see, how we want to see it, from a variety of angles, where revenue's coming in, where it's going out, where we're performing versus our plan. For us, being able to tag transactions with multiple dimensions really changed the way that we operate as a finance team. The ability to integrate Sage Intacct with other systems that we currently use was a game changer for our close process. We were able to integrate both with our CRM as well as our fundraising system. We were really able to cut our close process from about 3 weeks down to 2 weeks. That gives us extra time to actually do some review, analysis, use our brains instead of just using our fingers. And we've saved at least a full-time employee as a result of implementing Sage Intacct. As our strategic plan has evolved, my role has gotten more complex. When I walk into board meetings, I'm providing them with reports and information that they've never seen before. Having the capabilities of Sage Intacct has really enabled my team to go from bean counter to business partners. And I think that's the real value that the system is bringing to the organization.